Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here. Now I'm just going over through our next set of trades with our 10 trades to 1,000 pips. So it trades 4 to 8. So we had 100% last week. Going back, just doing a quick recap, and we saw we had about 672 pips. So again, this is only trading the London session. There's a lot of trading here that I haven't done. There's a lot of opportunity. In this here where there's no trading. As you can see, I've just been trading the London Open. And so coming into the start of the week, had a couple of good trades, but it was a bit quiet. So traded long up here, and I took a long position here, and I expected it to be a lot better than what it was. So actually leveraged up my positions and had a few stop outs, so that was my biggest stop of the week so far. Another successful trade in there for plus 21. Tiny little stop outs there, and a good trade last night. Now notice that there is a lot of trading that I could have been doing in this zone. Obviously this is the whole election space, and what I've focused these trades on is just trading the London Open, okay, and looking to get 1,000 pips and 10 trades, because I don't want to spend all of my day trading, even though I could. I want to spend just a short amount of my time and then use the rest of my time to do the things I really enjoy in life. So we had a successful trade last night, so let's just round up our history from the beginning of the week. Again, this is trades 4 to 8. So had a really bad, that was that trade I lost. So here's the start of the week. So these are the first winning trades. Brilliant start to the week, a lot of pips there, and then a couple of small scalps that I lost, and then we had, this was the trade where I lost just over 100 pips. Like I said, I leveraged up a lot more positions because there was a lot more possibility. However, with the elections, things were a bit uncertain, and so there was a bit more volatility. Probably should have had my stop a bit wider, but got stopped out there. And then yesterday we made all of that back with an absolutely perfect trade. And so let's count up our pips for trades 4 to 8 and see what we've got. Okay, so counting through the trades from trade 4 to 8 from the beginning of the week, all of these ones I've just listed here, leaves us with positive 205 pips. Okay, positive 205 pips. So that brings us to a total so far in 8 trades of 877 pips. Okay, so 2 more trades, almost at 1,000 pips. We should get there with the next 2 trades. Obviously there's always so many opportunities to trade, so many amazing trades. I'm going to look to take the best trades that I can, and we should get there within 2 trades.